What's up guys, Ryan here. Today we're going to be doing a spark plug and coil replacement on my brother's Mustang 2005. You might need a universal and an extension for the coils to take them off. You're going to need like these coils. You need to take these coils off. We're going to replace them as well. You need to take these. Just 932s. There's 4 on this side, 4 on this side. The spark plugs, they're 4 performance spark plugs. And the coils are MSD boys. Right there. Alright, what you want to do first, get your socket. You want to get your socket with your extension and start taking them, loosen them off and taking them. Make sure you do one side first, then the other side. Don't go do this side and the other one. Just do one side first, get it all done, and go to the other one. What you want to do as well is, before you start taking them off, take these little clips off. These clips, there's 4 in every coil has one of them. These clips, just press the. What you want to do is just press the little button it has, and they come out. Real simple. Just press this little clip right here. I don't know if you can see it. This clip. Come right off. I'll show you what you can't do it to one hand. Alright guys, so I just took this off so I can have more space to take them out and won't damage this or whatever you want to do. You just plug it back in once you're done. Make sure it clips. So guys, make sure you have a little buggy to put all your hardware at, your little tools, put everything you take off, make sure you put there. Alright guys, so if you want to just change the coils, you just take them out, which is pretty easy, and just put them back in. They go on right there, just pop them back in, and that should be easy to install for the coils. But we're going for the spark plugs as well, which are going to be in those holes. Try to zoom in to see. Maybe I can see them, but it's right there. So I'm just gonna take them off. Alright guys, make sure you buy these. So that's when you want to plug in the new ones, the new coils. They will be easy to take off next time. It won't be stuck. This is for the spark plugs. Same thing, probably the only things you're gonna need. You don't have to buy it, but I recommend you buy it. Alright guys, so I just finished taking one of them out. As you can see, already burned. These are the new ones. To take them off, just get your branch. These are the stock ones, so they're gonna be, what were they? What were they? 5/8. 5/8. You just take it a 5/8 and an extension and pop them out. But once you pop them out, once you break them, don't go all the way. Just go like a little bit by a little bit, so you won't break the spark plug. I'm gonna show you how to break them out. You just get a little bit, put a little bit of pressure, then it broke in it. So once you do a little bit, you go back, and don't go all the way, just go slowly, because you don't want to break the spark plug and buy something to take it out for like $100. Alright guys, so you just do this, pop them, all of them, 4 of these out, get the new spark plugs and put them in. You gotta tighten up the same way you loosen them, and that's it. And you just put the new coils in. And you're probably done from this side, and you go to the next side, but I'll show you how to do it. I'll show you how to put the new spark plugs and coils in. Alright guys, make sure you have a magnet one so you can take them out easily. Make sure you get a magnet, either one of these that are magnet or just a little magnet, take them out. So it won't be that hard. See, with the magnet, it just comes up right off. These are really bad burn. So I'm just gonna do all this, and I'll get back to you when I'm putting on the spark plugs. All right, guys. So I ended up taking out the old spark plugs from all 4 of them, right there on the side. What you wanna get is this anti-seize, and get a little bit and just put it all around. For the next time you still have the car, you want to switch on the spark plugs, so it won't be that hard for it to take off. So you just want to take a little bit and just rub it around this, and after that you just put them in with this facing up and this facing down, and just twist right, and it should go back in. Alright guys, I just put that seize on, anti-seize all around it. Just go in. You want to do this to all your new spark plugs. Just get this to your socket and put it back in. This facing up, remember guys, this part on top facing up, so put it into the magnetic and put it down there and start tightening it up. So guys, you also need to buy the connector grease and get a little bit and put it in the tip right there, so it can be easier to slide in. And just put it in and put it in all of them. That should be pretty easy to slide in. Alright guys, so I find it kind of hard to put it in there, but what I'd rather do is put it on top of the spark plug. I'll show you next time I do the other spark plug. Just put the lubricant in the tip right there, so it can slide in easily. Alright guys, once you're done, move it around. Alright guys, once you're done, move it around. Make sure it's tight, not loose. That's pretty good right there. Once you do that, make sure you do all of them like that, and you should be done. That should be it. You do this side and the other, and you're basically done. And I'll get back to you when we're finished with everything. Alright guys, so I just finished installing the spark plugs and coils on my brother's car. It should look something like this. Make sure you connected everything back, all these 4. And if you disconnected these to have more space, make sure you connect them as well. Just double check on that. Double check on both sides. This, all these 4. If you have them all, that should be pretty good. Make sure you turn on the car. His is gonna be a cold start because he hasn't turned on in a day or 2. So let's see how she sounds. Everything seems to be running good. Make sure the inside of the gauges look good. Everything seems to be good. It feels more responsive as well. So my brother Buzz says you can hear it swell more. So let's see how it. And it's more responsive, right? When you throttle, it's more responsive, or acceleration. Acelera un poquito más. Just a little bit. Yeah, it works way better now. Yeah, it works way better, guys. So thank you guys for watching. Make sure to check out my other videos I did. Thanks for watching again, and peace.